So I wanted to record this video to document the beginnings of me basically redoing my kitchen, the portions that really, I guess, matter. So meaning the parts that I've been wanting to do for the last 5 years. I should say 5 years ago. So basically 5 years ago, I guess it was assumed that I was going to do this because of maybe the assumption was that I had a lot more money or that I was going to take on more loans to get this done. But I decided that that wasn't my kind of thing to do. And you can see in my videos from 2019 that, oh, I rented out the condo and all this stuff. But, and you can even see in that video that I basically was like, you know, nobody wants to do my jobs. And that was because I wasn't willing to pay them as much. Of course, you know, I understand now how it works. I mean, labor is labor, it's expensive. So, regardless of like where the location is or whatever the case is. But so now I finally have I'm in a position to finally take care of all this stuff. And now I'm in my caveman mode where I just going straight into the project. I finished the portions, you know, obviously the lights part, and now everything's connected. So now the fridge works and in tandem with the garbage disposal. I'm just going to turn it on. And the dishwasher, it's turned on. So this electrical part took me about 10 hours to do because there's about 20 wires going in there and I was always making a mistake. So I'm gonna turn this shit off. Excuse my language. But yeah, I just wanted to document this for at least the initial video to show how my renovation process is going to be. So I'm basically going to demo this part out, maybe not right now, but I just wanted to do a small portion to show you just how much frustration is involved with me trying to get this shit done in the last 5 years, or whatever this stuff done in the last 5 years. And I've just been in a position where I paid off my mortgage because I had a tenant, well, my girlfriend was paying me rent and at the time, and basically I was just putting all my extra money into that, and also the glass railing, that was $5,000. And so and then on the appliances here too, I paid about $8,000 and $6,000 in total, and for all these appliances, more like 5,000. So things just added up, you know, and I was only making $60K at the time per year. So you know, and also I got a new door, which is $1,000, and then $1,000. Actually, I think that was more like $1,500 to get the new door in, and then there's a water line for this, which was about $1,000. So everything kind of added up to where, I mean, I got the mortgage down $60,000 as well. So everything kind of just added together to where in the last 5 years I wasn't really able to scale up too much. But now I can finally do this, where I'm spending most of my money on the cabinet, which was $8,000, and another $1,000 for a new quartz countertop. So, you know, it's all good. I can now finally, let me show you how, like, my frustration. So I'm gonna finally break open this piece of shit that I never liked to begin with, and I'll show you my frustration. Finally get this stuff done, man. Of course, probably should be covering the appliances before I do this, but I just wanted to show you the initial, what I'm doing initially, just before I start covering everything and stuff like that. But yeah, I was able to get these pieces out because they were kind of like not that easy, but I mean they were kind of like loosely attached to, or the little gypsum board there, or whatever it's called. I forgot what the under mounted part is called for the tile. Was it not gyp board, but whatever it's called, curdy board, I don't know, whatever it is. It's crazy because I actually installed it for my tile installation upstairs, the floor tile installation. So I should know what it is. It's like cement board. That's right, cement board. And this is actually probably not cement board. It might just be pure plywood, and it actually might be gyp board, or it could actually be cement, like cement in a different way. Because At the time, I think they used chicken wire to put this together, and you'll see pretty soon whether they did or not. Actually, you won't see it in this video, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of the demo part, just to get into it. Yeah, this is all I'm going to do right now. I just wanted to show you as a way of explaining how frustrated I am with seeing this. And I know there might actually be VOCs or whatever they call it, asbestos in there. And I know I need to be wearing a mask, but I just wanted to show you out of the frustration that I have. So thanks for watching.